Hi everyone, Zach here from Berardi Immigration Law. Today I'm going to address a frequently asked question from my Canadian clients. How can I live in the US? Let's start by understanding what it means to reside in the States. To live here permanently, you either need to be a lawful permanent resident, also known as a green card holder, or a US citizen. Both of these pathways, however, are intricate and aren't quickly achieved. They often span several years from start to finish. In addition, acquiring a green card usually involves sponsorship from a US employer or a qualifying family member, such as a US citizen, spouse, parent, child, or sibling. Furthermore, becoming a US citizen is also a complex and prolonged process. You typically need to first obtain permanent residency and then maintain that status for several years before becoming eligible for citizenship. There is some good news, however. Even though obtaining permanent residency and citizenship can be challenging, there are multiple options for Canadian citizens to enter the US for extended, although temporary periods of stay. If you aim to work, several temporary work permit options are at your disposal, such as the TN for Canadian professionals, the L1 for intracompany transferees, and the E1, E2 for treaty traders and investors. If employment isn't on your agenda, and you're looking to evade the cold weather for sunnier setting in Florida, Canadians can pursue the B1, B2 visitor status right at the border, and it is typically granted in 6-month increments. This means visitors can essentially live here in the States for half the year. And yes, Canadians are allowed to own property in the US and can use the B1, B2 category to visit their property. Long story short, living in the US as a Canadian is attainable, but it is a multifaceted process. If you're interested in any of this, I highly recommend contacting our office to speak with me or another attorney at Berardi Immigration Law.
Thanks for watching. Here at Berardi Immigration Law, we call ourselves American Dream Facilitators. So be sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. You can watch our videos, share them with friends and family, and learn all you need to know about achieving your American dream.